Looking for a garbage disposal that's both quiet and powerful? The InSinkErator model stands out with its advanced SoundSeal technology, which significantly reduces noise during operation. Paired with a robust 3/4 of a horsepower Dura-Drive Induction Motor and 2-stage Multigrind Technology, it tackles tough food scraps without fuss or loud interruptions. Durability is a key feature here. This disposal uses alloy stainless steel components reinforced with a LeakGuard Liner to prevent leaks and extend its lifespan. Plus, it includes a sleek Satin Nickel air switch and power cord, making it a perfect fit for any kitchen renovation or upgrade. As America's #1 disposer brand, InSinkErator is found in more U.S. homes than all other brands combined. Their full range of models ensures there's a solution tailored to every kitchen's needs and budget. Operating at 120 volts and 1725 RPM with an average load of 8.1 amps, this unit balances power with efficiency. Beyond power, InSinkErator focuses on making kitchen cleanup faster and smarter. Their garbage disposals and instant hot water dispensers work seamlessly to keep your kitchen clean with minimal effort. Remarkably, the disposal uses just 3 to 4 kilowatt-hours of electricity per year, making it an energy-conscious choice. InSinkErator's legacy dates back to 1927 when they invented the garbage disposal. Today, they remain the world's largest manufacturer of these appliances for both home and commercial use, proving their commitment to innovation and quality. Customers consistently praise this model for its quiet operation and reliability. One homeowner shared how it worked perfectly and quietly in their new home, matching the performance of a previous InSinkErator they had for years. This kind of trust speaks volumes about the brand's consistency. One important note: the disposal's quietness comes from a special drain flange and sound baffle that dampens noise. However, this design can sometimes slow down drainage of food bits and water. Some users opt for an alternate baffle that eases drainage, trading a bit of noise reduction for better flow. If you're looking for a dependable, quiet, and durable garbage disposal that fits smoothly into your kitchen renovation, InSinkErator is worth considering. Its proven technology and long-standing reputation mean you get what matters: efficient performance and peace of mind. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your kitchen cleanup.